In this video, I will show you how to add categories in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, you need to head over right here to your products. And then from in here, you can see the option for categories. So click on that categories right here in order to see all the categories that you have. So as you can see, these are the category that I have. Now, if I want to add a new category, I just need to click on this right here and add a name for that. So for example, let's name this autumn. And then the slug will be autumn as well. Now we can also choose a parent category, but you can also choose nothing. After that, you can input in here the description as well as a group of right here in order to enter a value to require customers to purchase product from this category in multiples. Now you can also choose a display type. So for example, right here, let's choose default, which is just a category. And you can also choose in here a thumbnail or email that you want. So for example, let's add in here an image. Now, for this one, I'll just head over and add this and then click on Use Image. After that, click on this Add New Category. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see this right here that has been added. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon!